Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back. So as in the previous video, we actually worked with this footer right here, and now in this video we're going to be talking about some of the tweaks. So if you click over here and then you go to the shop page, you can see that this is how the shop page is looking. And there is let's suppose that if you want to add the image to flip when the mouse is hovered, so how you're going to do that, that was being done with the Ocean WP theme. So you can see when we hover the mouse, the image was switching, and this functionality is not here. Same like this, we've got the pagination, and let's suppose that if you don't need the pagination, what you're gonna do. So we're gonna be talking about this particular thing. So first of all you have to do is to go to the plugins, and then you have to click add new. Okay, and once you are in there, here you have to search for product image flipper. So now once you've got this, you have to basically install this particular plugin, which is by James, and you have to basically click activate to activate this plugin. And you can see that the plugin is now activated. So now if you will come up here and you will refresh this page, then you will see that the product image will flip between that. So how easy it is. You just have to install a plugin, you have to activate it, and it's going to do the job. So now let's go and let's talk about the pagination, like how it's gonna work. So pagination, if you remember that when we added that thing, there was the option for the infinite scroll, and that is the exact same thing we're gonna be searching. So you have to click add new, and now you have to search for infinite scroll. And you have to just type in here, and let's see what are the plugins that we're going to be getting. So this is the Ajax, this is the Catch Infinite Scroll with this logo or the PNG image. So we're going to be using this one. This is by Catch Plugins. You can hit activate, and once the plugin is basically activated, all you have to do is to just refresh this, and now you can see we've got this load more. So this is how it's looking. If you go down, we've got this load more. You can click over here and the products will load. Now let's suppose that you don't want this load more, and instead of that you want to add something that when the person basically goes down to the page, it should automatically load. So for that, what you have to do, you have to basically go to the plugins, install plugins, and then here you have to look for the Catch Infinite Scroll, and then you have to hit settings and you will be taken there. Now it says load on, so you have to basically select it to be scroll, and then you have to hit save changes. And now if you will come up here and you will refresh this page, you will see that when you go down, you can see the loader is right here and the products are being loaded just like that. So now we are totally done with this thing. Now let's go and let's talk about our My Account page. So if you go to the My Account page, you can see it's right here, and this is how it's looking. This is working. Now let's suppose that we want to just get rid of it. So how are we going to do that? So for that, what you have to do, you have to basically go to the customizer. Okay, and now here, once you are in the customizer, you have to basically go to the previous lecture where I have given you the CSS code. So you have to basically get that lecture. And this is basically CSS code for custom My Account design. You have to come up here, you have to copy all of this, and now you have to come up here to the custom CSS over here, and you have to paste it. And you can see that it's not being applied. So if it doesn't apply to any of the theme, whether it's the Elementor theme or whether it's any other theme, then remember one thing: the CSS class that we have been using might be changed with the theme. Otherwise it should 100% work. So for that, what you have to do, you have to type in here site3.iTunesEL.com, and you have to visit the website and you have to confirm if the CSS class that you have been using is correct. And for that, what you have to do, you have to type here inspect, and you have to click over here, and now here is this list items right here. So you have to go above till basically the full thing is selected, and once you click over here, you can see this is actually fully selected, and this is right here, and this is not being applied to display none, and this is being shown. And the reason for that is because it is WooCommerce-My Account-navigation, while we are using WooCommerce-My Account-tabs. So instead of this tabs, if you change this to navigation, it should have probably gone, and you can see it's gone. And now if you click publish, and now if you come up here and you refresh this page, you will see that this should probably be gone. Now this is not working. Let's see what is the problem over here. So if you just select this, this is right here, you're gonna go above, and this is, you can see WooCommerce-My Account-content. Let's see what is here. So here is also WooCommerce-My Account-content. But if you come up here, you can see that WooCommerce-my-account-content is not being applied, that we have added with 100%. So if you come up here, if you just set this, you can see the with 100% is not being applied, and this is being overwritten by this particular thing, which is right here. So what we have to do, we have to tell our CSS that this is really important and we have to make this 100%. So what you will do, you have to come up here, and after this 100% and before this semicolon, you have to just give an extra space, and you have to type here exclamation mark, and you have to type here important. And that's all you have to do, and you have to hit publish. And now if you will come up here, and you will see that this will be now prioritized and this will not be prioritized. So if you will refresh, you will see that this will be cutted and this will be working. So this is cutted and this is right here, and you can see how cool is the CSS working. So that's all for right now. In the next video, we will be talking about the sidebar, and we will see how we can work with the sidebar and how we can make the full use of it. So stay tuned, guys, and bye-bye.